Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing clutter and training your eye to read silhouettes. This makes negative space meaningful. First, choose 2 4-strong shapes and simplify them into flat, readable forms so you can see gaps as intentional shapes. Once done, use rapid gestural marks to map edges and mark the largest voids. These will become your negative spaces. Make sure to work at a distance to judge shapes, because the why is clarity. Negative space balances composition, and now refine how shapes meet and how gaps behave. You change contours to make negative space read as deliberate shapes. Use a 3-step value study, dark, mid, light, to test which voids read strongest, and darken or lighten adjacent areas to push the eye. Once you alter an edge, step back and flip the image or mirror it. This reveals accidental shapes and improves balance. Make sure to tweak until negative areas form interesting, stable relationships with the positives. Finish by committing to crisp edges and a final value check, so negative space reads cleanly at a glance. You can add small accents or highlights to steer the viewer through the voids and reinforce the main shapes. Do this sparingly. If things go wrong, if the composition feels cluttered, simplify overlapping elements and enlarge a key negative area to re-establish hierarchy. Finally, step back and view at thumbnail size to confirm clarity and impact, because that proves success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.